Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of speaking with Mikhail, whom we've spoken with before, about the AIFC, or the Astana International Financial Center, based in Kazakhstan. Mikhail, over to you.
Thank you. My name is Mikhail Charles. I'm a barrister at Five Pump Court Chambers in England and Wales, but I am also admitted throughout most of the offshore world, including most recently the Astana International Financial Center, which is based in Kazakhstan. AIFC is an English common law jurisdiction operating within Kazakhstan, and as such, I was able to be admitted. I now provide services to entities and individuals operating within that autonomous zone.
Fantastic. Having said all of this, Mikhail, what is your overall assessment? What do you think at a high level? What do you think about the AIFC?
Well, I'm an early adopter to adopt my earlier proposition. I saw an opportunity to be admitted to what I think is a leading English common law jurisdiction. And based on my own international background, that was attractive to me. But if you look at the empirical evidence, there are billions of dollars that have been invested, and that must mean that there is something there. Yeah. There are over 3,500 registered companies, 100% court enforcement of judgments, 95% year-on-year growth. That must mean that AIFC has established itself as a functioning international financial center. Three factors I think warrant consideration. First, that 50-year tax exemption provides planning certainty unavailable elsewhere. We have until 2066. Second, the geographic positioning offers first mover advantages in the Central Asian markets. Now, Central Asia is something that particularly the Caribbean offshore and the English bar in particular hasn't had much exposure to, apart from either the ultra high net worth individual or the ultra high asset based holding company that may want to list in London or in Cayman or have a BVI nexus. I think that AIFC allows us to be closer to more volume. And third, but not least, the English law framework with automatic enforcement, I think, creates some transaction security. Now, naturally, challenges remain. Geographic isolation. It is a bit of a journey to get to climate conservation and ecosystem development needs, but the trajectory suggests sustainable growth, which is something that we treasure, or at least I treasure in my own practice.
Definitely, if it is that someone is doing business in the CIS region or the Central Asian region, it's a great springboard or a great entry point into that space. And more importantly, given the uncertainties, a geopolitical hedge. Just in case, depending on what you're doing, maybe good to diversify and not have all your eggs in one geopolitical basket, so to speak. Having said all that, thank you very much for sharing your time and expertise.
You're very welcome.
Mikhail, if someone wants to get in touch with you and follow up in some of these opportunities, what's the best way to reach you?
The best way to reach me is through HTJ Tax and through your good selves, or in the alternative, you may reach me at or through my clerks at Five Pump Court Chambers, or my email address, which would be displayed at the end of this podcast.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.